Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Azar and RS Auto. I'm going to make a spare key for a 2018 Dodge Challenger, Dodge Charger. Sorry. This is the spare key I'm supposed to program, and this is the working key. You can hear it beep. So as usual, this is a Dodge product. We'll have to get the FCA Bypass for us to have access to program this car. So I'll pause the video because I only have one hand, so that we're able to disassemble the dash to have access to the FCA and do a bypass. Okay. I've taken out the part. I've been able to locate as you can see, the bypass, the secure gateway, and these are the cables connecting the secure gateway. So I'm going to connect the cables. I'll pause the video, then when I'm done connecting, I'll show you. Okay, I've used the bypass cable. It's connected to the OBD2. Then from there to my 2. So now we're in So it's a Dodge Charger 2018.
All right.
So doing most of. We have 2 BCM error codes.
This one checks everything that is on it, Abby.
So we have RFH has an error code, BCM has an error code. Okay, so let's sorry. So let's first of all generate a report of this information. Must start present. We must start enabled. Yes. Present. Engine reset. Okay. Error code. Body control model. Radio frequency hub has error codes.
Okay, that's the RH something. Which one?
Radio frequency hub.
What's the frequency? Which one is that one?
Is the device that actually receives your frequency from your remote.
Okay, from radio.
No, from the key.
Oh, okay.
He has 2 error codes. These are the 2 error codes.
You removed Abby sensors.
No, the receiver side of it.
But it's still receiving it though.
Okay, so these are the error codes. To save us time, let's clear those codes. There is smart remote present. Start enabled, yes. ECU part number, yes. Remote start, yes. Engine reset notification, no. No pin successfully programmed, okay. So let's take care of those error codes. So let me just read pin code. Turn the ignition on, turn hazard on, light on. Make sure the device is connected to Wi-Fi and IP enabled. So let me just read the pin codes. We have finally concluded the programming of the key. Sorry I omitted some part of the video because my scan tool shut down. I had to go and charge it. So you can see what happened. This thing was working just now. Don't go, time don't go.
So you come back tomorrow?
I'm just tired from this guy. Work.
You pressing brake. It's not sensing the key.